Good afternoon, students. Welcome to second day session of these online classes. So yesterday we discussed about rectangular coordinate system in coordinate geometry. So just 2 minutes I will brief the points. Consider horizontal real line xo x dash as x-axis. We named it as x-axis. And draw vertical line which is perpendicular to this xo x dash at O. Consider this one as yo y dash, a vertical line as the y-axis. And these two lines dividing this plane into 9 areas we discussed. First quadrant, the region XOY region is called first quadrant. First quadrant. Next, X dash OY region is called, this is second quadrant. X dash OY dash region is called third quadrant. And XOY dash region is called fourth quadrant. And origin. Next, positive side of the x-axis OX, negative side of the x-axis OX dash, and positive side of the y-axis upwards OY, and negative side of the y-axis below this one downwards OY dash it is. These are the 9 regions in this diagram, and we defined the point. We discussed this one. A point can be represented by an ordered pair x comma y, in which x is perpendicular distance of this point from the y-axis. Simple definition, but very important. In future, we will coming to know the importance of this point definition. And draw Pn is perpendicular to x-axis. The perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis is called y-coordinate. We named the x-coordinate as abscissa and y-coordinate as a ordinate. These things we discussed. And we discussed how it will be the point on x-axis. On x-axis always y-coordinate 0. On y-axis always x-coordinate is 0. Ordinates of the origin is 0, 0. This one we discussed. Today we will discuss the applications of these points. The first one is note down, result 1. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point x comma y, px comma y, from the origin. From the origin. From the origin. That is O, origin O, 0, 0. Find the distance of the point P, x, y from the origin 0, 0. See this one? Very simple. First draw the diagram. So Px, y is a general point. Anywhere we can denote. Generally I am taking in first quadrant. Let P, x, y be any point. First, analyzing the result. Find the distance of the point from the origin. So, join OP. Join OP. Distance means this perpendicular distance we have to find. OP distance we have to find. See the possibilities here. To find the OP distance, what are the possibilities? See the possibilities. Possible construction we can do. Draw PM is perpendicular to x-axis. So now see this one. This is a right angle triangle. OMP is a right angle triangle. So what is the distance? PM distance. Now see this one. PM means using the point definition. Distance of the point from the x-axis. Distance of the point from the x-axis we know that is y coordinate. And draw Pn is perpendicular to y-axis. Pn is perpendicular to y-axis. The perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis is always x coordinate, that is x. So OM is both same. Here Pn is equal to OM, that is x. Now listen to me here. We require the distance of the OP. So assuming this one as OMP is a right angle triangle. In lower classes, in a right angle triangle, what is Pythagoras theorem says? What is Pythagoras theorem says? See this one. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus a side square. That is OP square is equal to here. Just OP square is equal to, listen to me, I'll give the notes. OP square is equal to, it is OM square plus PM square from the right angle triangle by using the Pythagoras theorem. So OP, we require this OP value. So OP is equal to square root of this is OM square. What is OM value? From the diagram, that is x square plus what is PM? PM distance y square. This is the formula. Distance of the point from the origin is always square root of x square plus y square. Many of you you don't know the definition of the square root. What is the exact definition of the square root? What is how to read this symbol? Many of you are doing mistakes. It is a positive square root of the 4. Positive value of the square root, actually the definition of that square root. Square root of 4 means it is 2. It is not plus or minus 2. 2 it is. Strictly 2. Whenever you are using this symbol, many of you in lower classes, keeping in your mind, whenever you are using this symbol means you have to write the positive value. Distance is always a positive value. Square root of 4, square root of 9, square root of 25. Positive value you have to write. Keeping in your mind that one. So what is the answer for our result? Find the distance of the point Px comma y from the origin O is always square root of x square plus y square. First draw the diagram. Analysis part is completed. Everyone draw the diagram. First explain the diagram. Consider a rectangular coordinate system. Consider a rectangular coordinate system. Let xo x dash is x-axis and yo y dash using the capital letters is y-axis. Let p x comma y be any point. Let p x comma y be any general point it is. No need to mention it is in which quadrant, no problem. Let p x comma y be any point in the plane. So we are explaining the diagram. This is a simple process in proofs of any coordinate geometry. First to draw the diagram, explain the diagram. So to find the OP value, what we have done construction. Explain the construction. Join OP. Just the activity, just explain in your simple words, in your own words also you can explain. Join OP. Join OP. Draw PM is perpendicular to PM is perpendicular to x-axis and PN is perpendicular to y-axis. So from the diagram, write those values by using the point definition. From the diagram, what is first? PM is equal to, that is OM, that is X. Point definition. Perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis is always X coordinate. PM is equal to, sorry, this is PN. PN is equal to OM, that is. PM is equal to, what is PM from the diagram? Perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. What is that value? It is y. This is the descriptive part. You have 5 marks questions, all these things. For first diagram and a neat explanation. Now see what is the required one? We have to find the OP value we have to find. So in a triangle OMP, in a triangle OMP, in a triangle OMP, OP square is equal to, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. So in bracket write that one by Pythagoras theorem. See this one, in a right angle triangle always hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus a side square. We applied that Pythagoras theorem. In bracket write that one, Pythagoras theorem. So now write the values. OP is equal to square root of OM square means x square plus PM means y square. That is the formula. Distance of the point from the origin is square root of x square plus y square. So in lower classes this proof is there, but once again it is required for you. Here also practice it. See based on same concept, one more result. Here distance between 2 points. How you will find the distance between 2 points in a plane geometry? What is the activity you have done in lower classes? You have a scale, 15 centimeter scale or 30 centimeter scale. You can find the length of that line segment. Here distance between 2 points in coordinate geometry, we have a formula. We'll find that, we'll derive that formula. Now done. Find the distance between, find the distance between 2 points. Find the distance between 2 points. A x1 y1, A x1 y1, and B x2 y2. B x2 y2. Find the distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So what we required distance between these 2 points, we had to derive one formula. Here listen to me. Once again same construction. Draw the diagram. Consider a rectangular coordinate system in which let xo, x dash as x-axis and yo, y dash as y-axis. Consider a rectangular coordinate system. Draw the x-axis and y-axis. So now we require 2 points. I'm selecting 2 points. Just listen to me here. I'm choosing A as x1, y1. One more point B, x2, y2. Here a diagram is important. Join AB. Join AB. We require length of this line segment AB. Find the distance between 2 points means shortest distance, that is perpendicular distance, that is nothing but the length of line segment AB we have to find. See what we can do here also. See the possible construction. Draw AL is perpendicular to x-axis. Draw BM is perpendicular to x-axis. And AN is perpendicular to BM. So the same technique. Earlier what we have done, directly we got right angle triangle. Here also, by using the right angle triangle, we can find the distance of AB. Now, to find we required these values. How to find this AN and how to find this BN. Listen to me. To find the AN means LM. How to get this LM? What is the distance from the point O to M, total distance it is. By subtracting OL, we will get the LM. See this one, total distance OM, from this one, subtracting the LM, subtracting OL, we will get the LM. So can we use the definition of, see this one, OM means the perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis. Draw BP. BP is perpendicular to y-axis. What is the PB value? Perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis, always x coordinate. What is x coordinate in this case? x2. So this total distance OM value x2. Next, how to get OL? We'll use this point. Draw AQ is perpendicular to y-axis. AQ is perpendicular to y-axis. What is AQ? Perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis. In this case, what is x coordinate? x1. So OL is x1. Total distance is x2. Total distance is x2. OL is x1. So LM is nothing but x2 minus x1. This is x2 minus x1. So AN is also x2 minus x1. First, try to understand the diagram. Afterwards, we'll explain the diagram. Listen to me once again. We required first target is, our target is AN. AN is equal to LM. LM means total distance is OM. OM is nothing but x2. And minus of OL means OL is nothing but x1. So x2 minus x1. See, we are using in every case the point definition. See the importance of the definitions in proofs. Now, listen to me. BN. To find this BN, listen to me, total distance is BM. And subtracting the NM. NM is equal to AL here. Now see this one. What is the total distance? Distance of the point from the x-axis. Distance of the point from the x-axis. Always y coordinate. What is y coordinate in this case? y2. Total BM value y2. Next. What is this NM? NM is equal to AL. What is AL? Perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. So y coordinate in this case it is y1. So NM is y1. NM is y1. Now tell me the BN value. BM minus NM. That means y2 minus y1. This is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. BN value. So diagram part is over. Just listen to me. Now this is a right angle triangle. Don't write the notes, just listen to me. ANB is a right angle triangle. AB is a hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to, we can write AN square plus BN square. That means AB is equal to square root of AN means, what is AN value? See this one, AN value x2 minus x1 whole square plus what is Bn value? y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance between 2 points formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So first to draw the diagram. Draw the big diagram. From the diagram only easily you can prove the distance between 2 points. First complete the drawing the diagram, everyone. Just follow me. Let 2 points, one is A, x1, y1. Another one is B, x2, y2. Just listen to it. Join AB. See the follow the order in explanation of the diagram. Just join AB. Next, draw. AM is perpendicular to AL is perpendicular to x-axis. XO x dash as x-axis, YO y dash as y-axis. Draw BM is perpendicular to x-axis. Draw AN is perpendicular to BM. Explain up to here first. Consider a rectangular coordinate system. Let XO x dash is x-axis, YO y dash is y-axis. It is a 5 marks question. Explanation is compulsory. Don't write the answer directly. Consider a rectangular coordinate system. Let XO x dash is x-axis, YO y dash is y-axis, and O is origin. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be any 2 points. In the plane. It is. Now do the join AB. Just to follow the order. Join AB. Next, draw. AL is perpendicular to x-axis. BM is perpendicular to x-axis. And AN is perpendicular to BM. Next, draw. BP is perpendicular to y-axis and AQ is perpendicular to y-axis. BP is perpendicular to y-axis and AQ is perpendicular to y-axis. Now coming to these 2 points. First we'll find the AN. AN is equal to, from the diagram, AN is equal to LM. So LM is equal to OM OM minus OL. What is OM value? Perpendicular distance of the point from the B to Y axis anamata. It is nothing but x2. So OM is x2. Total distance is x2. It is minus, what is OL? x2 minus, see the OL value, perpendicular distance of the point from the Y axis. That is also x coordinate, x1. x2 minus x1. So we can write here x2 minus x1 it is. Next, we'll target the Bn. Bn is equal to Bm minus Bn. What is Bm? Perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. Perpendicular distance from point from the x-axis. That is nothing but y coordinate, y2 minus Bn value. Huh? Sorry, Nm. We required Bn. So the Nm is equal to a perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. This is nothing but y1 it is. y2 minus y1. Here in the diagram also denoting it. y2 minus y1. Explanation and the descriptive part is completed. Now what we required here? AB. So consider a triangle A and B. In a triangle A and B, A and B, it is a right angle triangle. Already we constructed like that only. Now see this one. AB square is equal to, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square plus side square, AN square plus BN square. Applying AN value and BN value already we have. So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between the 2 points. So many students, they used to ask the doubt, sir, x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square? Both are same. A minus b whole square or b minus a whole, but whole square is there, same value will get. No problem. Generally we'll read it as distance between 2 points as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square it is equal to. Practice some examples. I'll give some examples here. How you will get the questions? So today we practice 2 formulas. One is the distance of the point from the origin is square root of x square plus y square, first formula. Second one, distance between 2 points AB is equal to formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so as a 10th standard students in PUC also direct formula is enough. But you are going to write JEE mains and advanced exams and KSET exams. Now analyzing these, in finding the OP and or in finding the AB, any disturbance is there for us? Can we give any type of points for x1, y1 and x2, y2? Any objection? That rationalizing thinking is important. One theorem or one formula is there means what are the conditions? In which conditions we can apply this formula? Any real numbers. X comma y belongs to any real numbers, we can apply this formula. Any real numbers, not for complex numbers. For any real numbers, we can apply this formula. So there is no objection. We can take any type of points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Not an example. Example 1. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point P minus 1 comma 2 from the origin. Find the distance of the point P minus 1 comma 2 from the origin. See what is the formula? OP is equal to square root of x coordinate. What is x coordinate? Minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So what is the answer? Square root of minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 4. Square root of 5 answer. Square root of 5. When we don't know the exact values, leave it, no problem. Square root of 5. No need to use any logarithm book, no need to use any calculator. Just leave it. Square root of 5 units, that's all. Distance between 2 points. Example 2. Find the distance between the 2 points. Find the distance between the 2 points A minus 1 comma 2 and B 3 comma minus 4. Find the distance between the 2 points A minus 1 comma 2 and B 3 comma minus 4. Immediately after reading the question, you have to get the idea. We have one formula, we can apply it. So AB is equal to formula distance between 2 points, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus of minus 1 whole square. Write this one clearly. Here only you will do the mistake. That's why I gave the different symbols. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 4 minus 2 whole square. Simplifying it. Square root of 3 minus of minus 1, 4. This is 4 square means 16 plus, here it is, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square, 36 it is. How much? Square root of 52. There is no perfect square root, leave it. 52 answer. Square root of 52. End of time. Yeah, next tomorrow we'll discuss about section formula. Before going to that one, a brief discussion about first angle. What is angle definition? Don't write any notes, just a small discussion it is. Angle definition. See that in lower classes many of you come across angle A, angle B, angle C, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees like that. You are having some idea in your mind. I am asking the definition of an angle. And what is the definition of an angle? How to define an angle in a perfect way? Is it a distance, shortest distance? It's a straight magnitude. Angle, how you are calculating the angle, all these things you experienced. How many of you are having the angle definition in your mind? If it is live class means we will have a live interaction, but it is online class, I will give the answer for you. See the angle is, it's a circular magnitude It's a circular magnitude. It is not straight distance. It's a circular magnitude between two rays or any between two lines or any between two line segments at one common endpoint. Note on that. We required all these discussions in the next concept. Angle. Angle is a circular magnitude. A circular magnitude it is. Circular magnitude between two rays at one common endpoint. At one common endpoint. See, if we are taking two line segments, I am taking same definition we can use, but angle between two lines and two line segments is not one angle, it is two angles. One is acute, another one is obtuse. Note on this diagram also. Angle between any two line segments or angle between any two lines means it is not one angle, it forms two angles. Next, see, this topic is there for you in this year in trigonometry. Types of angles. Types of angles. If the measurement of angle lies between 0 to 90, listen to me. If the measurement of the angle lies between 0 to 90, that means one angle 0 is less than, A is less than 90 means this A is called acute angle. A is called acute angle. First note down in a diagram, afterwards we'll define. 90 degrees is called right angle. Only 90 degrees means that is called a right angle. We named it as right angle. If the measurement of an angle is 90 degrees, it is called right angle. 90 to 180. The measurement of angle lies between 90 to 180. 90 to 180. Here I have taken angle B, which lies between 90 and 180. This is called obtuse angle. This is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. (180 degrees) is called complete angle. Sorry, linear angle. It is a linear angle. 180 degrees is called linear angle. Complete angle means 360 degrees. 360 degrees is called complete angle. We named the 360 degrees as complete angle. So one rotation, one complete rotation means how much it is? 360 degrees. Now explain it one by one. Just first point, acute angle. Acute angle. The measurement of angle is lies between, the measurement of the angle is lies between 0 to 90, is called acute, is called acute angle. Second point, right angle. right angle, right angle. The measurement of angle is 90 degrees. The measurement of the angle is 90 degrees. Is called right angle. Is called right angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The measurement of angle lies between 90 to 180. Lies between 90 to 180. Is called obtuse angle. Next, fourth one, linear angle. Linear angle. Linear angle. No. The measurement of angle is 180 degrees. It is called, the measurement of the angle is 180 degrees. Is called linear angle. Next, one more note on reflexive angle, 270 degrees. Reflexive angle. The measurement of the angle is 270 degrees is called, the measurement of the angle is 270 degrees is called reflexive angle. Last one, complete angle. Complete angle. The measurement of the angle is 360 degrees is called, the measurement of the angle is 360 degrees is called complete angle. Next, another two terms in types of angles. Tell me, the complementary angles means sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Supplementary angles means sum of the two angles is, listen to me, two angles A and B are said to be complementary if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Two angles A and B are said to be supplementary means A plus B is 180 degrees. Note, two angles A and B are said to be complementary. Said to be complementary if A plus B is 90 degrees. Two angles A and B are said to be supplementary. Complementary. And two angles are said to be supplementary. If A plus B is equal to, if two angles A and B are said to be supplementary if A plus B is 180. Still, we require the triangle definition, different kinds of triangles, and what is median, what is altitude, perpendicular bisector, what is centroid, what is circumcenter. Tomorrow we'll discuss and then we'll go for section formulas.